Land use by humans has had the greatest impact on radiative forcing and therefore climate change. Humans keep expanding as people move to new areas and cities, growing in size and more land needing to be used or changed from being changed to urban and suburban areas. With the growth of people comes radiative forcing, which is the scientific basis for the greenhouse effect, and changes in the albedo of the planet directly contributing to climate change. One of the greatest contributors to this is carbon dioxide, which is part of the greenhouse effect, and its main source is transportation. Manila is at risk because it has the worst traffic in the world. All the cars are emitting carbon dioxide as they sit idle in traffic. There is constant smog and pollution due to the bad air quality, and there seems to hardly be any change or plan for it. With such an overcrowded city, there's a lot of doubt and improvement. Manila's population is around 12 million, with 12,600 people in each square kilometer, so it seems like communities are staying in the city and managing to fit in turn causing more pollution and climate change. A solution would be to manage the population and transportation, maybe by providing birth control or a new, more efficient mode of public transportation.